Have you ever wondered why your S chassis leaves its coolest stain mark when you pull up to get a jug of milk? Are you sick and tired of people laughing and gawking at the sight of your car crying its neon insides out? Have you tried everything you can to fix the bottle? Have you broken off the nipple whose one job is just to remain attached? Turn that frown upside down. Introducing the kinda sorta not at all new Gktech overflow bottle. You get the box with Gktech logo, the overflow bottle itself, a stylish and modern yellow cap, guaranteed to make onlookers do a double take every time you pop your hood. Stop throwing your money away. Now here's the deal. When you call this completely fictitious number, we're going to give you the box, the overflow, the cap for only $39.99. But if you order within the next 20 minutes, you'll also get a free sticker valued at $3.99. And since we know we can't do this all day, you'd better act fast. Call 1-800-GKTech. Call now and you'll get the sticker absolutely free with the overflow. Just have a listen to what these totally random non-actors who are for sure not biased have to say about it.
This overflow changed my life.
This is the best overflow bottle I've ever seen, and I've seen a lot in my day.
This is the lean, mean, engine bay improving machine. And since we know we can't do this all day, you'd better act fast. Call 1-800-GKTech or visit our website at www.gktech.com. That's www.gktech.com. Order now.